Smart lock installation tutorial accessories list display. Front lock, rear lock lining, rear lock inner rubber, lock body, side strip, lock body fixing squirrel, rear lock fixing squirrel, lock core fixing squirrel, small safety square, lock cylinder, key, latch, square bar, spring, reset pin, bamboo squirrel, stud, card, battery, charging cable. Adjust the direction of the lock body and the lock tongue. If the door is pushed inward, the inclined surface of the door lock tongue faces outward, and the flat surface of the lock tongue faces inward. If the door is pulled upward, the inclined surface of the door lock tongue faces inward, and the flat surface of the lock tongue faces outward. This step is to adjust the direction of the door when the lock body and the lock tongue are pulled upward. If no adjustment is required, this step can be skipped. Adjusting the lock body latch direction. Adjust the latch direction of the lock body. First, dial the clutch upward. Press the latch inward. When rotate the latch 180 degrees. The latch back to change the direction of the adjustment is complete. Install the lock body with the lock tongue facing upward. Place the lock body into the door frame body slot. Tighten the lock body fixing squirrel. Install the lock core and put it into the lock body gourd slot, keyhole facing out the door, and put the lock cylinder in the appropriate position. Pick up the lock cylinder fixing squirrel and pass it through the lock body screw hole, and tighten it with a screwdriver to fix the lock cylinder. Install the front lock preparation. Install the front lock stud. Tighten with pliers. Preparation for installing the rear lock. Open the rear lock battery cover. Install the small safety square bar on the door tongue knob on the lower end of the rear lock. Insert the pin in the door tongue knob hole. Use pliers to fold the pin in place. Turn the small safety square to ensure that the pin does not touch the motor. Install the rubber pad inside the rear lock and press to complete the fixing. Cut accessories and installation. Measure from the face of the interior door lock cylinder tail ruler. Reserve length range 1 cm to 2 cm. Mark and cut off the excess. Use a cutter to cut off the excess. Place the bamboo screws into the rear locking liner screw holes. Measure the length of the screws according to the thickness of the door. Fit it to the door frame, 1 cm shorter than the door frame. Mark and cut off the excess. In the video, it is cut with a cutter. Install the square rod by inserting the knuckled end into the hole of lock body square rod. Make sure the square rod exceeds surface 1 cm to 3 cm. Mark and cut off the excess. Use a cutter to cut off the excess. Measure the length of the small safety square bar according to the thickness of the door. Fit it to the door frame, 1 cm shorter than the door frame. Mark and cut off the excess. Cut off the excess with pliers. In the video, it has been cut with a cutter so that the square bar and the cylinder and ruler do not extend beyond the edge of the back lock. Smart lock installation. Install the front lock. Thread the front lock power cord from the outside of the door into the door. Install the front lock studs against the door holes and the front lock cylinder holes against the cylinder. Rear lock liner plate to thread the power cord. Rubber pad snap to the door surface. Screw on the bamboo screws. Screws need to be aligned with the front lock studs. Fix the rear lock. Do not need to tighten it first. There is a certain degree of looseness, so that it is convenient for subsequent adjustment. Adjust the front lock. Adjust the rear lock liner. Note, the square bar, lock cylinder, and small safety square bar holes need to be centered squarely in the rear lock liner plate holes. Tighten the bamboo screws again. Check that the switch lock is working properly by unlocking it with a key. Place the spring in the rear lock square rod hole. Connect the front and rear lock power cords. Tuck the excess power cord into the door to prevent crushing. Close the panel by aligning the rear lock square rod hole with the square rod, the rear lock cylinder hole with the cylinder and ruler, and the rear lock small safety square bar hole with the small safety square bar. 盖儿 open 后的 bloquei trasero e verifixe o bloquei do. Interrupter suave normal. Secure the rear lock by screwing the rear lock retaining screws in the rear lock screw holes. Install the battery. Put on the battery cover. Press and hold the set button under the battery cover with the reset pin for 5 seconds to restore the initialization. Installation completed. Self-inspect. Unlock by 3D face recognition. Fingerprints unlock. Passwords unlock. Card unlock.